This is the organization, this is one more organization, and this other organization. You see, let us say it is the KFC, this is the Domino Pizza, and there is an app called some Swiggy. Just forget about servers and all these things. Just think about application. Now, one of the user, he is trying to order some pizza. Now, let's just imagine he need to compare the price before purchasing. He would like to compare the price and other some attributes. Now, these organizations, they started having their own agents. Agent, each application having their own agent, and also the same. They will try to publish their capabilities. Let's say KFC having so pizza, some 1, 2, 3, 4, some items are similar way. Domino also having some items, right? So there all things will be published in the some JSON file. Similar way here also saying only whatever information they would like to publish, that information will be published on the JSON file. Some configuration file, let us call configuration. Now, with the help of this agent, A2A agent, we can discover, they will try to discover these two. Also, they will try to compare, and they will give you the feedback to users. So here the challenge is communication between multiple organizations. So these are all things will be happening right now. Okay? Entire application structure, not only structure, not structure actually, communication way. So currently how we are communicating, going forward, there is a huge change. Right? That's why we need to focus all these changes as well. In addition to our topics, let us try to focus these areas as well. Okay? So also we discussed MCP as well, right, previously. So how it is related to us as a DevSecOps engineer or cloud engineer, right? Let us say as a cloud engineer, we need to set up our environments. That is the first thing. Similar way, as a DevOps engineer, we need to deliver our application. So we need to understand this flow as well. Right? Recent changes, right? At least we need to understand this change flow. Based on that, we can redefine our structure as well, our path also. That's right. Let us see that. Let us see one by one. So initially we discussed virtual machine, and now we are discussing web apps. Later we'll see DevSecOps classes, we'll see containerization. Right? One by one we'll see. So while discussing all these topics, we'll try to align our recent changes also.